All right, so I want to go over today's price action. I didn't take a trade, just a little log of my thought process behind it because my drawn liquidity did end up being right. All right, so let's get started. So I got on the charts at around 9:45, so as this candle closed, and initially I'm bullish. Why? Hourly bullish, no weekly cycle cracks and correlations. All got ran through. There was at one point, but they all got ran through. 4 hour, we wiped out the monthly cycle with uh, YM. That was my target. Um, the only thing that was kind of scaring me is we had this daily cycle at lows from the 15-minute. Um, like we had a daily cycle and 15-minute true chain state delivery, which we did end up inversing, but I don't know why the indicator doesn't show it. And then we have a daily cycle at the highs, and here on this candle we formed it, but here kinda is the true chain state of delivery. So I'm seeing like mixed signals because like the higher time frame is overall bullish. So I'm still looking too long. Now I did like the reaction of Midnight Open. We formed this 15-minute rejection block with EL above it, but also we did have this which I wasn't really paying attention to. So I'm not even gonna mark it out. So we didn't end up hitting it. So I was looking for some kind of either displacement through to some kind of drawn liquidity, which would have been um I don't remember. I was looking at some right. So I mean honestly, the price action here is as coming into the morning, so not clear bias. So I just waited for something. Now what happened here? We formed a 90-minute. Um, which candle was it? Oh, it was way before that. Um, and a micro, and we did end up distributing just a higher, like, um. So yeah, therefore, like as I said, my drawn liquidity is high day, lack of manipulation, like I mean lack of SSMT, so on and so forth. So we're just watching it go. Then I was waiting for the 10 a.m. to see some kind of setup. Now, in particular, I was looking at either this or this range. Now, this range would have given me an order block that lines up with OTE, and this range gives me this fair value gap. And if we go on the 5 minute, here is also a fair value gap inside of discount. So, the order block. So, overall, just going into here, forming an entry trigger and longing up to all-time highs was my kind of objective. But what happened next is we just delivered from it. Um, yeah. Then I didn't look at charts at all. Here I was just doing nothing basically. Um, because we didn't do anything. We just consolidated and then started selling off. And at the same time, yeah, we had nothing kind of else I was looking at. This 10 a.m. gave a quite a nice rejection, just like displacement through test. Only reason that I didn't take it, even though I was in the charts, was the lack of a PD array. Like there wasn't anything I could have taken the trade off of. It would have been just a 10 a.m. key open. And like if even if we take this 1 minute range, that is not even in premium. So instantly that kind of rules out for me. Then we sell through the midnight open. And right here is a 4 hour fair value gap, and we formed equal lows. So yeah, I kind of missed that part. Saw the displacement up, kind of thought like maybe I could try to catch along. Um, but yeah, nothing really happened. This was just the draw on liquidity that we did end up taking, and then like could have seen some kind of like high time frame, low time frame. I mean, 5 minutes is relatively high time frame, so could have waited for a rejection from here with an entry trigger. So once we tapped it, um, this also gave like a nice fib level. So retrace into the rejection block, which is in discount. Um, 5 minute rejection block. Um, kind of low resistance liquidity building up right here. Um, engineer liquidity under midnight open. Two changes to the delivery too, so kind of a lot of things pointing towards bullish. Would have entered here with like 21 point stop, targeting these highs, low-key low RR. But yeah, would have tapped and exited just like that. Um, Even the true change state of delivery got tapped. Like, damn, this is nice. And yeah, pretty much after that, we already formed a new 4 hour candle. So I kind of, I don't usually trade PM. So this is just like a little tape read. And yeah, that would have been the trade of the day. Nothing really else that I saw happening. And yeah, that's it for today. I didn't take any trades. Um, yeah, I'm out.